What you got there, buddy? You think he'll let me have it? Let's find out. Let's get to the video. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Into My GT Entertainment, and I am Joel. Nice to see y'all on this day before Thanksgiving, and I hope y'all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. What I'm doing is a different type of video. I'm doing a little kind of a product review on a office chair that I just bought. We'll get into all the details, but just to let you know what I had before, hold on, is this chair right here. It's not bad, but it's after a little while your butt falls asleep and whatever. And since I've picked up doing editing and different things now, I've spent a lot of time in this little section. So I was that chair. So I went from that chair to this chair, and now I'm going to show you the new chair. So we will be back in one moment. And again, that's what the old one looks like. All right, everyone. What I'm doing today is kind of building the Secretlab chair that I got, and I purchased it on my own. I didn't have anybody sponsor me for this video in any way, so all these are my opinions. I'm going to go ahead and build it and show you the ease of building it or the difficulty of building it, and give you my honest opinion on what type of chair it is. I've heard a lot of good reviews on it, and there's a lot of stuff on it online, but like I said, sometimes people are paid to do it and I am not, so we'll go from there and we'll get into the do's and don'ts and what my opinions are on it. So let's get to it. Okay, so what's in the box? So when you open up this box, and it is a big box, the thing weighs about 80 pounds or so, so it's kind of a weird concept. It has a do not touch the bracket recliner lever. I'm sure there's a reason for it. It pinch your hand, it says, or chop it off, who knows. But you open up the box, and then the first thing you come to is the colored assembly direction kit. Shows you everything that comes with it. Comes with the directions on how to build it. Over here. Then you have everything packed with styrofoam. You have Secretlab's, I guess, little welcome book. You have the actual back of the chair. The back of the chair is here. Another little package. Oh, and then you have your stand. And then here, it is the bottom of the chair where it says do not touch. You can see that right there. So we won't touch it. And then what else is in here? You have your pillow for your neck. You have accessory box, I believe, or this is the wheels. You have the wheels that are rubber coated. You have the side guard. You have the hardware. the piston cover, and the in-chair levers. Get that here. And then finally in the box, we have the bottom bracket that connects to the bottom of the chair. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this mess up a little bit and give us some room. And okay, everyone, this is what it looks like once you kind of get the box out the way and have it. So we are going to go ahead and assemble this now. So we'll see you on step one. Alright everyone, step one, which I'm not going to go through every step like this, but just take everything out. Step two is actually building the stand. So we're going to go ahead and get that here. This is the stand. Y'all can see. Clean out the bag. Alright, and as you can see, it's your typical stand, but it's made out of aluminum, not metal, so it should hold up a little better, be a little bit lightweight. And the first thing is, we put the wheels in. They have the little casters already on them, so all you do is get them in and give them a push. And they go in pretty easily. So. There you go. On to step two. Oh, three now. That is to put in the shaft center. Have to get into your box. Do not lose these. Your shaft right here. Pretty simple thing. All you do is stick it in the hole. And then you get your little cups. And then put it over the center. That is that step. So next one, we're getting into the actual chair, so we have to unscrew the chair, the bolts off the chair. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, everyone. For this step, we were right here. We just needed to go ahead and take the bolts out the side, and then we have to marry the two together now. It's probably better to get somebody to help you with it. I'm not gonna get into how it goes together. I'm just gonna put it together and just show you what it looks like together. Yeah, we'll go from there. All right, everyone, that is with the back attached now with those two screws on either side. And now the next step is to put the bracket on that covers it, and then to take the safety guard off that is there after the seat is secured. So we'll be right back. Okay, and now we are at the point where we're putting the bottom bracket on. As you can see, the side covers are now on both sides. So what we need to do is tip the chair forward and put the bracket on. So I'll catch you right there. All right, everyone. Now we have to attach the bottom base to the bottom of the chair right there. And as you can see, we'll get into the fine tuning of the chair later. You do have some bolts that you can slide the arms out a little further on each side. So that way, if you're a heavier set person and need a little extra room, you can do it. So let me go ahead and get this mounted and we'll see in a minute. Okay, now that we have the back on, now we have to marry the two together. So we'll have to put that on there and then flip the chair back over. So let me get that done. And there it is, everyone. it is done. The Secretlab Titan series chair. Like I said, this is the bigger of the two chairs. Right there. It's actually 3 chairs. The Omega, and I want to say it's another one, but it's way too small for me. But yeah, that's what it looks like when it's done, and it's really nice. This pad, it has memory foam with cooling gel in it, so it fits really nice and comfortable. Like I said, the overall build was pretty easy. Like I said, there was nothing out of whack or crazy about it. It just took me a little while because I was trying to show y'all how to do it. And like I said, you got the PU leather, excuse me, here. You got their labels everywhere. It's like a NASCAR. You got your sponsorships every which way. So, and it is the Titan series. So I'll get into the comfort level and all that in one moment. All right, everyone, how y'all doing? This is the finished product. As you can see, this is the Secretlab Titan series chair with the PU leather in ash, 2.0 that is. And like I said, I want to just go over how it feels. It feels really comfortable. Like I said, it has a built-in right here, right there. I don't know if you can see that. Lumbar support for your back. Has plenty of room. This is why I got the Titan versus the Omega. The Omega is sized for me, height-wise, but weight-wise, I kind of fall in between the both of them. And then the chair itself, right here. This part right here is a lot more flatter. It doesn't have the cup wedges like you normally do with the racing chairs style gaming chairs. So it's a lot more comfortable for someone that has a little extra room going on and likes to kind of sprawl out a little bit. And when I sit there and do some editing and stuff, I always have my foot up like this, and you have plenty of room and there's nothing bouncing you back or pushing you off. Also, it comes with a memory foam pillow that goes right here on the back of the headrest. It goes right there, and you can kind of just chill out. And what I mean by chilling out, because this chair does something special. I think a lot of them do it, but this one does it pretty well. You can kind of lay back and relax a little bit when you get tired of doing your editing and stuff. And then another thing, oh, excuse me. And another thing, you can have it rock back and then lay back. And as you can see, it's a sturdy chair, and I'm on a wood floor. So God help me if it goes ooh, and I'm done. But for the most part, it does what it's supposed to do. There's no issues. I can roll around, and if I want to take me a few Z's, there you go. And another bit of the features with this, let's readjust it a little bit. There you go. Another bit of the features is you lock that so it won't move. You have up and down, like most of them do. You have front to back, corner to corner. And then you also have in and out. So it's very adjustable for whatever you need to do. So if you like to lean on one side and have it kind of like this or whatever, you know, you can do what you need to do. So it's very adjustable to the actual operator of the chair. So you can do pretty much what you need to do. Okay, everyone. So that's the video for today. Like I said, I just wanted to do a little product review. And like I said, later on I'll go into it a little more once I've had time to sit in it for a little while and do what I need to do and what have you. And like I said, this is by Secretlab. They have 3 style chairs. It's the Throne, made for smaller people, anywhere between 4'9" and 5'3". They have the Omega, which size pretty much for me, but I wanted something with a little more room. I like bigger chairs. So the Omega is usually a 5'3" to a 5'11", anywhere with a max weight of 240 pounds. I'm not that, thank God. And then what I bought, the Titan series, which is made for 5'9" to 6'7" people, with almost 300 weight. So like I said, it's definitely a sturdy chair, well built, very nice, comfy, and like I said, it's amazing compared to what I've been using. And Secretlabs, I do have 2 more computers and 2 more children. So if you want to throw me up a chair or 2, I'll definitely review them. I'm interested in that the weave, the dry weave, I think it's what it's called, or the I forgot what it exactly is called. But like I said, that's neither here or there. And my daughter, she's a smaller person. I think she would be the throne. And I haven't seen many videos out here for the throne, so that would be kind of a nice little thing. So, but anyway, that's neither here or there. Just hit me up if you want to do something. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm here for y'all. I'm just doing a little something different. Doesn't have to be always automotive. It's going to be mainly automotive, but this is a racing type chair, gaming chair, cars, you know. So I guess it can kind of fit in there some way or the other. But anyway, best part of my videos are you. I hope you come back for the next one, and we'll catch you then. Peace.